Welcome to the channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that could change the way you record audio, the digital voice recorder with a 2-inch touchscreen and Bluetooth capabilities. We found this innovative device online, and you can check the link in the description for the most up-to-date price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The digital voice recorder is a compact, portable device designed to capture high-quality audio with ease. It features a stunning 2-inch IPS color touchscreen, making navigation as simple as swiping and tapping, much like using a smartphone. This user-friendly interface is ideal for anyone, whether you're a busy professional, a student, or even a senior who might struggle with more complex technology. Plus, the dedicated one-touch recording button allows you to start recording instantly, making it perfect for those on-the-go moments, whether that's in class, during meetings, or jotting down daily notes. Now, let's dive into some of the standout features. One of the most impressive aspects of this voice recorder is its loudspeaker and Bluetooth playback capability. You can not only listen to your recordings through the built-in high-fidelity speaker, but you can also connect Bluetooth headphones for a more private listening experience. This makes it versatile for both study sessions and entertainment, allowing you to use the recorder as an MP3 player as well. Its compact size means you can easily slip it into your pocket or backpack, making it a convenient companion for any occasion. When it comes to recording quality, this device does not disappoint. The digital voice recorder uses advanced DSP noise reduction technology and a dynamic noise-canceling microphone for omnidirectional sound pickup. It captures audio with a crystal-clear 3072 kbps stereo recording, ensuring you hear every detail as if you were there. With 7 levels of adjustable gain, it can pick up even the faintest sounds, making it ideal for students, teachers, and professionals who need reliable audio quality. Storage is another highlight, featuring a massive 64 GB capacity. This allows you to store up to 4,500 hours of audio at a lower bitrate, which is perfect for long lectures or interviews. The recorder offers up to 100 hours of continuous recording at a higher bitrate, so you won't have to worry about charging it frequently during extended sessions. This voice recorder is also equipped with voice-activated recording, which saves storage space by only capturing audio when sound is detected. Additionally, it supports A/B repeat for looping important sections and timed recording to ensure you never miss a key moment. With features like password protection and a built-in stopwatch, it caters to a variety of professional and academic needs. So, who is this voice recorder suitable for? It's perfect for students looking to record lectures, teachers wanting to capture classroom discussions, professionals conducting interviews, or anyone who needs a reliable audio recording device. Its versatility makes it a thoughtful gift for family, friends, or co-workers. In practical use cases, imagine being in a lecture and not having to scramble for pen and paper. Instead, you can simply hit record and capture everything clearly. Or, during a business meeting, you can document important discussions without missing a beat. The ability to replay recordings instantly also allows for easier review of crucial information. In conclusion, the digital voice recorder with HD recording and Bluetooth is a user-friendly, high-quality device that meets a variety of recording needs. Whether for personal use or professional purposes, it covers all bases. Thanks for watching.